Well, hey there, folks. Today we are in the beautiful mountains of Tennessee. And let me tell you, this one's not your everyday property. If you've ever dreamed of owning your own private mountain retreat with total peace and quiet, this place just might steal your heart. Sitting on about 30 secluded acres, this property gives you the privacy so many of us are chasing these days. No traffic, no hustle, no neighbors crowding you. Just you, the fresh mountain air, and plenty of room to breathe. Now, let's talk about the cabin. It's a cozy one-bedroom, one-bath setup, and it's already livable. The current owner is here full-time, but the fun part is it's not finished yet. That means you get the chance to bring your own vision to life. Most of the materials you'll need are already right here on site, just waiting for you. How often do you get to move in and customize your home as you go? The cabin sits on a solid block foundation with a cross base. It's heated by a wood stove for those cool mountain evenings, and it's got fresh spring water pumped right in by an electric pump. Rustic, practical, and charming, all rolled into one. But wait. There's more than just the cabin. You've also got a 20 by 30 workshop and garage with concrete floors. Whether you need space for tools, hunting gear, a side business, or just a place to tinker and create, this building is a huge bonus. And then the pond. The pond. It's large, it's peaceful, and it's just begging you to grab a fishing pole or pull up a chair and relax. Can you picture yourself here on a quiet evening, watching the sun go down with the water reflecting those Tennessee skies? I can already feel the stress melting away. Now, I'll be honest with you, you will want an off-road vehicle to get here, but honestly, that just makes the adventure even better. When you arrive, you know you're someplace special, tucked away from the world. This property is perfect for so many things: a hunting retreat, a private getaway, or even the start of an off-grid lifestyle. With 30 acres, a cabin that's ready for your touch, a workshop, and a big old pond, you've got everything you need for your mountain escape. So, if Tennessee mountain living has been calling your name, this could be your chance to answer. Don't wait too long. Opportunities like this don't come around every day.